Vivo for Healthier Generations is launching a new online registration software. This video will show you how to create and manage your online recreation account. To begin, go to www.vivo.ca and click the Legend button. This will take you to the online registration system. On the right, click Create an Account to begin creating your account. Here you'll begin to fill out your personal information. Fill out your title, gender, first and last name, and your email address. You will use your email address to sign into your account going forward. Create your password and enter it in 2 times. Next, you will begin filling in your mailing address. You can start with the postal code and use the search option to autofill some of the criteria. If the autofill does not work, fill in your street address, city, and province. Make sure to include a phone number, as this will help our staff find your profile easily. Next, fill in the details of an emergency contact. We need their name and a contact phone number. From time to time, we may wish to contact you about services that may be of interest to you. If you wish to receive this information, please select which option you would like: text, phone, email, or mail. When you finish filling out all of your information, click Create Account. From this page, you can manage your own account as well as the accounts of your family members. To begin, let's go through the process of adding a family member to your account. First, click Manage Family Members. On this screen, you'll be prompted to create a new contact. Follow the screens providing information on your family members. Once the account is created, you can now register for programs on behalf of a family member. Once you have created a family member account, you will be able to view their account details under My Family Accounts. Here you will be able to edit or delete any contacts as required. Once your family accounts are created, you can begin browsing programs. If you would like to watch a tutorial on how to search and register for programs, please watch the Registering for Recreation Courses video.